Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about insider secrets every home seller needs to know. In this video, the question is about how to photograph my house before selling. And this question comes from Frank, and he's asking, do photos matter when selling my home? And the answer is yes, because photos are everything. A lot of agents will want to use a professional photographer, and for some homes, this is a really good idea. A professional photographer knows how to make a home look enticing, and we definitely want to entice a buyer to come visit your home. As agents, what we'll often do is splash in a little drama with oversized accessories, oversized plants, or maybe highlight an architectural feature with paint or add splashes of color just to increase the emotions of the person viewing the photos. What makes someone click on a listing and open all the photos? Well, color and drama make the biggest impact. It raises emotions, and for most buyers, they'll want to see more of that house. So be sure that your best photo is the one featured as your cover photo in the MLS, because photos can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. So that's your tip for today. Thanks for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like do-re-mi. I'm an award-winning interior designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about mortgages, interest rates, the escrow process, home warranties, what repairs to do before selling your home and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home, simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.